type of list in HTML. Type of list in HTML. The first type is called OL, order list. Second type is called UL, okay. Second is called unordered list, unordered list. Third one is called DL, definition list. Definition list. OL, UL, and then DL. Order list, unordered list, and then definition list. Okay. Order list, unordered list, and then definition list. Now, before writing the example, we will see how and where OL and UL use and how you are going to use that. So hope we are written the notes. OL is of 5 types. OL is of 5 types, and UL is of 4. UL is also 4 types. And DL is of 2 types. Definition list 2 type. OL is 5 types, and UL is 4 types. We will be making a note of that. Now let us first see this one. Suppose you are creating a documentation for something. If you are making a documentation for something, in that documentation, assume you wrote something like this. Employment in India. This is one topic you got. Employment in India. Now what we did, this one we place in center. This one we place in center, and maybe we can convert into bold, or maybe we can increase little more font size. We can keep little more font size. Okay. Now after that, heading is ready. Heading is over. Next, after that heading, after the heading, we will write some content here. Suppose you have a topic called employment in India. Now on that, for that particular topic, you are going to explain something, maybe 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines, 7 lines, 8 lines, 10 lines, depends on your requirement. Okay. Now suppose we wrote something like this. Yesterday what we discussed like while creating the web page, inside the web page, there must be one heading. There must be one heading. For what purpose? Better user experience. When anyone will come to the page, user will read this much. It will take 2-3 minutes to read. Better than that, user will read 1 line and he will understand, oh, this content is what about. That is called as a heading. So we have discussed yesterday, H1 to H6 we use to create a heading inside the web page, whereas H1 is required in all the pages one time, so that it will increase the user experience User will understand after looking into the first line, they will understand, oh, this content is. Then we discuss another line. If we have a lot of text, then we can use the paragraph tag. That is called P tag. Right? Same thing we discuss, no? So, okay, that should be there in your mind. For that purpose, I create a heading and below I wrote a paragraph so that we'll understand. Okay, I'm creating through H1, H5, H6, and after that, we are creating the content using the paragraph. That till there it's ready. Next, after that, after writing this paragraph, suppose you want to highlight some point. Point number A, point number B, point number C, point number D. Correct. Let me go here. Let me write a point, maybe particular, maybe particular, maybe particular. Okay. Maybe particular. Right. Now these points, when we want to highlight it, we will follow from here. We have option called this one. You can say call bullets. Bullets. It's called a bullets. Suppose I selected the bullet like this, what will happen? These contents become a particular points. Now after this, as of now we have created, we added this one under the MS Office, MS Word I am using. Okay, Microsoft Word. Now the same content, if you want to display in the web page, how you will do? This will come from the H1 and this will come from the paragraph. And how you will highlight this point? So for that, in MS Word, we have a feature called bullets. But in the HTML, we have a feature called this one. Called a unordered list. Okay, this called a unordered list. Using unordered list, we can display some content and that will look like this. Design can be anything. This what design is coming here, icons is coming in the beginning. This can be anything. Okay, this can be something like this. None means nothing. If you write something like this, it will appear somewhere like this. Okay, this is one option. That happens how? Using which tag? UL tag. Now come down. Next. Next, suppose we want to highlight some more point. Let me add here. These points, maybe you want to give 1, 2, 3. We will go here and we have here option called 1, 2, 3, another one, multiple types of formats are there. And this feature is called a numbering that you are already aware of in MS Office. Now suppose similar way, we want to display maybe Roman 1, 2, 3, ABCD 1, 2, 3, number 1, 2, 3, this 1, 2, 3, anything, something like this. Correct? Something like this. Which feature we have in HTML? Suppose I given this one, maybe this particular point. So it's showing as a 1, 2, 3. So that is going to come from here. The another point what you have written, that is called which one? Order list. Using order list, we can display some data. There will be order maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe ABCD, maybe Roman 1, 2, 3, or maybe something else. Using unordered list, we can display some content, some point that will not have 1, 2, 3 or ABCD, but it will have an indicator. Okay, that is going to call it what? Unordered list. Okay. So again, we can mix both together, order list and unordered list, and we can generate the third one as well. That is called nested order list. Maybe suppose this is the point number 2. Under the point number 2, if I go, under the point number 2, if I go and add here something, right? And instead of keeping as ABCD, I can select this and we can go here and we can make something like this. Possible? So this becomes a what? Nested list. This becomes a nested list. The combination of order list and unordered list. And this becomes a what? Only unordered list. right? So we are going to implement the same in the form of HTML, how to implement and how that look like, okay? So clear. What is the order list? Order list is nothing but if you want to display something like this, ABCD in front of the list, in front of the line, you can use this. This called a order list. Unordered list is nothing but it's a here where you want to display some kind of particular indicator that will come. Okay. So hope you have made the note here. Order list, unordered list, as well as definition list. So create a file, give the file name called orderlist.html. Orderlist.html. Create a file, give the file name called orderlist.html. Orderlist.html, what file you created? Go to the file, create a new file, write something in that, save the file, give the file name order list.html. Order list.html. Order list.html. In order list file, you will start from the HTML. After that, follow the body tag directly. Head tag is required from the CSS onwards. Once we come in CSS, then we need head tag. Now for HTML, you don't need head tag, so ignore that. Follow the HTML tag. Even before HTML, we have to write a doc type, but that will write once we come under the HTML5 related tags. As of now, doc type even not required. So let us start from HTML, open the body, close the body, and under the body, understand the list of tags. Now write inside body tag, one H1 as a heading tag, OL. Order list example. Order list example. So create an order list. Now how to run this file? Remember, save the file, go to where? View menu. In that computer view menu, okay, you can run from view, select the Chrome. Okay, so I'll go to the view menu, view current file in, there is an option called Chrome Mozilla, whichever you have in your system, select that. This page should open in the browser directly. Open. Come next. So hope all are trying to run the file now. It's the third day. You should not only listen. See, if you only listen, then what will happen is after few days you have to leave it. You cannot continue that. Okay, is a confirm. I have seen last many hundred batches. You have seen the people who only see, they cannot continue after 5-6 classes. They have to leave it because they will become confused. From first day, if you are able to write single line, double line, triple line, fourth line, then only later you can write 10 line. Directly one day we'll ask your hand to write 10 line and will feel uncomfortable. So better start writing. Development is nothing but coding only. The people who write the code, they are college developers. People who only speak, they are college lecturer. Okay. People who write the code, they are college developer. Write it. You are preparing for the development work, development job. One of the very good plus very challenging plus very productive and well organized, systematic, professional, everything. Okay, field in the market where infinite growth you have. Okay, now come under this H1, we have written order list examples. It is going to give a heading. Now you will follow the OL open and OL close, not 0, 1. Many people will see, they will feel 0, 1. It's not 0, 1. It's O and L. O and L. OL open, OL close. That is called order list open and order list close. Okay. Order list open, order list close. Next, after that, under the order list, we have to follow the LI. LI, that is called list item. I will write here list item. List item. Okay. List item. Okay. LI for list item. OL for order list. Come down. Now under this list item, we can add n number of item, whatever we want to display. Okay. So we will first display few name of city. Okay, few name of city or maybe few books name. Let's write here HTML. Line. Write the next line called CSS. Next line, bootstrap. Next line, JavaScript. Next line, jQuery or maybe React. Save this file and again run the page. See how that look in the browser. So how it is coming? 1, 2, 3 or ABCD? What is comes? 1, 2, 3, right? People ask sometime interview, what is the default type of OL? What is the default type of OLs? What you can see in the browser? Not ABCD. Hope you are able to see 1, 2, 3 only. 1, 2, 3. That is called default type of default type of order list is what? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Default type of order list is 1, 2, 3. In fact, if you want to write manually, also you can write type. And if you are leaving, then by default 1, 2, 3 will come. Let me write here. See what is happening. Type equal to 1. Type equal to 1. Okay. Type equal to 1. So now what it will give? Same 1, 2, 3 only. By default is the type as a 1 only. Type is a property. 1 is the initial value. You are setting the starting point as a what? 1. So what will happen? Your compiler will say, oh, type is 1. So if the type is 1, then also start from 1, and type is not mentioned, then also start from 1. Okay. And where it will go? Till the number of li in your list. Okay, so we have total 5 li, 2, 4, 6 we have, right? 2, 4, 6 we have, so it will go till where? 6. We have other option also. In case if you want to start from 500, you can start from 500 also instead of starting from 1. Okay, so that we can see in the some example, or maybe here also you can write, copy the same thing exact. Okay, or let's come down. Why to copy? Write again manually. OL open close. Write inside type. Type equal to 1 only, but set a property, another property called a start. A start equal to 5. So in this second OL, what will happen? This is also going to give 1 to 3 only. But we are saying yes, type is 1, but the initial starting point is what? 5. So a starting will happen directly from the 5. Let's go here and see what is happening. Follow a li. Follow a li. Put inside again some city name, example Bangalore, and keep one more li, Mumbai. Keep one more li. Okay, added and check once. What is the starting value? 5 or 1? What is the starting value?
5.
The starting value should be 5 only. Look at here. Start from where? Start equal to 5 means starting from where? 5. So this two property you will not forget. What is that? OL type equal to maybe which one? 1, and then start equal to where? Any number, 10,000. Start from where? 10,000 directly. Come down. We have 5 type property what we are using. It is total 5 types. Type equal to 1 you have written. Next we will be implementing type equal to A, capital A, capital ABCD will come. Next we will write type equal to A, but small. So a small ABCD will come. Next again we'll write type equal to I, capital I, Roman 1 to 3 will come, uppercase. Again we'll write type equal to I, a small. So what will happen? Roman 1 to 3 will come, but lowercase. Okay, let's go. See once how it will be. If you want start from 5, then you have to start from, you have to give attribute. If you not give, then default will come. Okay, why attribute is required? Attribute is required to fulfill the requirement. If you not give attribute, it will come as a default. You want to start from 5, then you have to give attribute to start equal to 5. If you not give 5, it will come by default from 1. That is called why we need to give the type. Okay. Question should be little meaningful. It should not be anything you can ask. Property is required for what purpose? To fulfill the requirement. If you will not use the property, then what will be the output? Default will be the output. Default output is not your requirement. Okay, let's go ahead. Write the next. Okay, next you write. Now you tell me in this, Li is the block level or inline? Li is the block level element, tag or inline tag?
Block level.
Okay. Next reason is because when you have written the Li and run the page, all the Li's are printing in the new line. Plus open close is there directly we can see here. It's a block, it's a dependent. Come down. If you not close the Li, it will break the structure of UL tree. It will not write the, it will not close the Li, it will block the, it will break the structure of OL, and one Li will go here, some other Li will go somewhere else. Come now, follow the next, which one? OL. Okay, so in the next OL, before writing the next OL, I will use here one HR tag as a separator. Color equal to blue color, size equal to 10. Color equal to blue, size equal to 10. Color equal to blue, size equal to 10. So what will happen? One line will come. Line color will be which color? Blue color. Right? What will be the thickness of the line? 10 pixel. Yesterday also I have written once something similar. Now for the UL, we will add a next property. Next property that is called type equal to A, capital A. So it is going to give you ABCD, that also uppercase, not the lowercase. In this, you follow. Okay, in this follow something like this. Home. Next Li. About us. Next Li. Contact us. Next Li. Login. And next Li. Little bit login. Run the page. You will find type will come, and that will be as a ABCD. Li will appear, and Li will have a starting initial value will be A capital, B capital, C capital, E dot home, B dot about us, C dot contact us, D dot something like that. Hope ready? Check now. It is going to give you ABCD, and that ABCD will be uppercase, not as a lowercase. Okay, working oil type equal to A. Come down. Write one more HR after that. HR is just simply we are adding a separator. If you don't want, you can leave also. HR color. Color spelling is COLOR. In programming, color spelling is COLOR. U will not come. Color is a green color. Size equal to 1.5. Color is a green. Size equal to 1.5. So what will happen now? It will give another horizontal line, whereas color will come in green color and thickness of the line will be 15 px. Follow the next OL, and under the next OL, you will give the type equal to A only, but lowercase. Okay, now property type property saying, what is your requirement? Customer says, in front of the list display ABCD, that should be lowercase. Then we have to remember, okay, for lowercase ABCD, what property I have? So the property we have type only, but the value is a small a. Okay. Customer will say, customer in the sense who? Project owner who are paying you to develop the project. Now the project owner will say, A should be lower ABCD, it should be lowercase. The initial indicator of the items, whatever we are displaying, should be ABCD. It should be lowercase, but it should start from the E. It should start from the F. It should not start from the A. Okay. Understood or not? Suppose you have the 20 items, you are going to display type equal to A. So what will come? ABCD will come small. Now customer says like ABCD you are displaying is okay, but start from the D. Don't start from the A. Now you have to find where is the D. In the series of ABCD, what is the position of D? A is the 1, B is the 2, C is the 3, and D is the 4. So we have to write a start equal to 4. Now at fourth position, who will come? D will come. So starting will happen where? Directly from the D. Let me write here. A start you have written here in the beginning as a 5. It is not only for the number. It can be for the alpha also, the Roman also. Okay. Now we write here call a start equal to 3. A start equal to maybe 3 or 4. 1 minute. Call, let me receive. Hello. Thanks. Sierra Monday. Okay. I'm in between something. I will be free at 1:30. Okay. Okay. Suppose we are written a start equal to which one? Not D. D is at which position? Fourth position. So start equal to 4. So what will happen? Initial will be starting will be from where? 4 position. Now on 4 position in the ABC series, what will come? A, B, C, and then D will come. Okay. Now let me go here. Right here, Li. Under the Li, you can add something, anything, whatever you want. No problem. I will add here some item name. Apple. Next Li. We'll keep some banana. Next Li. Let's keep call orange. Next Li. Keep call grapes. Next, let's check now this much. The starting of ABCD will be from the 4th position of ABCD series. In that on 4th position, whichever character comes, D will come. So it will not show ABC, it will start directly from the D. Check now. Starting from D. So here starting is happening from directly from where? D. Correct. So how many type you saw? One you saw type equal to 1 as a number. Another you saw type equal to A uppercase. Another you saw type equal to A only but lowercase. Two more we have type equal to I for the Roman 1 to 3. So in I, if you give a small Roman, a small 1 to 3 will come, and if you give capital I, then capital Roman 1 to 3 will come. Now how that look? Let's go here. Write one HR, color equal to pink color, and size equal to something 10, 15, no problem, anything. Let's go inside. Follow a OL again. OL. Then under this OL, you will give type equal to capital I. Then keep inside a LI. Put some city name again. Bangalore, Delhi, Pune, Chennai. Let's call to 3 times. You can say. Okay, check now. You will get uppercase. Roman 1 to 3 will come, but it will be in the capital. It will not be as a small. Something like this. ABCD? Not ABCD. Roman 1 to 3. We have one more. Let's write quickly. HR, color equal to black color. Size equal to 1.5 again. Let's write one more. OL, keep inside type equal to a small I. Small I. Now you will keep inside. Okay, you will keep inside some roles and responsibility. Example, graphics designer. Graphics designer. Next role responsibility, UI developer. Next role responsibility, backend developer. Next role responsibility, full stack developer. Full stack developer. Right. Save now. You will find it will give you a small Roman 1 to 3. Working. Write it. So working for everyone. Check now. It's like this. Lower case. Remember how many types we have written? 5 types. Let's go to developer guide and we'll make a note over there. So running for how many people? Can you say yes, no in the chat? If it is running, you can let me know. Six people only. Writing is important for you, okay? So please write it. It will give you a lot of benefit. Lot of benefit. As I told you, developer in the sense what? The role of the developer is write the code. People who can say yes, I am a developer, that meaning he has the capacity to write the code according to need. And that is now we are into the initial stage. When you go to the dance class, first day itself you cannot start dancing. You need support from someone. Someone should support you. Then only you can start shaking the hand, leg, body. Tomorrow you will take less support. Day after tomorrow you need less support. After some time, keep doing. You no need of any support. You will become master in that. Right? So exercise is required. So for that, to be a developer, please write it. It's like ABCD, alphabet of your web technology. HTML is the A A of HTML, A of web technology, completely A. Out of A to Z is the A only, first initial point. In A also, now what you are saying? So many small topic you are saying. So you can say it's a complete alphabet of the web technology, that is called HTML, all the topics. Okay, let's go ahead. We'll come to the developer guide and we'll make a note here. In order list, what we saw? In order list, we saw type equal to 1. Correct? Second type you saw type equal to A. Second, what you saw? Second, we saw type equal to capital A. Next, what we saw? Type equal to capital I. Next, we saw type equal to small I. Type equal to small I. Ready? Next, come to the UL also. In UL also, we have some certain type. That also will make a note and then we'll go for the example. Type equal to disk. Type equal to Esquire. Type equal to circle and type equal to none. None is both the places. Under the order list also you can apply type equal to none. In unordered list also you can apply the type equal to none. Is square, circle and none. So you will create a file. You will create a file. Give the file name call. Create a file. Give the file name call unorderlist.html. 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 Start in this also HTML. So the notes you written. Okay, hope you have written HTML body open close all one h1 again keep inside ul. Mouse is here. The touchpad will not work. So this mouse, I think you are using mouse now. Okay, so this will work. Right click down. Half an hour now. After half an hour, you can take. An order list example. An order list example. Come down. You will open close. Go inside. Write the type equal to disk. Li li home. You write home, I'll guide you one shortcut key. Using that, you can write fast little. Li open close. Home also. Li open close and write the home. Okay. Now suppose after writing this line, suppose this li we want to copy and paste 5-10 times. So first we have to copy this. After copying, select copy and then go here, come to the new line and control V. Paste will happen. That is the short. That is the way we follow. Another way is there. If you are using the Notepad++, complete this li first. So li is completed, right? After completion of the li, suppose we want to copy and paste this line. So keep your cursor at the end of the line. Keep your cursor at end of line. Okay, kept. Now after that, in your system keyboard, there is a combination of Control plus D. You have Control also and you have D also. Now press Control plus D. Press Control plus D. D for Delhi. You kept your cursor in the last and press Control plus D. What happened? Nothing. Which editor you follow? Then you understand. I have asked you to use which one? Notepad++. Why I have asked? Because okay, if you are not following, leave that. Okay, so hope if you are following the Notepad++, what you will do? Li open and close, right? Hope you are done. Open close. Keep your cursor at the end of the li. See my cursor is pointing there. Press Control plus D. The line duplicate will happen. Line duplicate will happen. Happen duplicate. Now in that, go and change the content. I will repeat again. See what I did. I did something like this. I wrote one line. We wanted to copy and paste this line. So I kept my cursor in the last. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. How many times you want? Control D, please. That line, what will happen? Copy and paste will happen. Okay, home, about us, contact us, login, register services product client. Save it. Run the page. You will find everywhere dot will come. Everywhere dot will come as a disk. This is called what? Disk. 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 After that, after disk, come down, follow one more HR, color equal to orange color, size equal to 10. Come down, right below next UL, open close, type equal to none, keep none. Inside that, none means no any kind of indicator will come. It will be just like the text. Whichever the text you add, the text will appear. Okay. Now writing this again. Some service name. Write the next li. Write the next li. Save now, check once. This three option will come with no any kind of indicators. Just simple line will come. Just write it. It come in 1 minute. So running. Okay. Right. So after that, what we saw is the none means what will come? Nothing will come. Only text will come. Go ahead next. Write one more UL. Inside the UL, type equal to circle. Type equal to circle. In this, add some city name. Bangalore, Mangalore, Kolkata, Chennai. Circle will give you type as a circle. Dots are coming in none. Where dots will come here? We are not getting any dot. You have made some mistake. Here there is no dot. You can send your code in chat. I will guide you. What's name? Nibandh Kumar. Which code is giving error? You can write in chat. I will guide you. What is the problem? Type this. Which one? You will type equal to circle. You will type equal to circle. It is going to give us a kind of a circle symbol. Round with the dot. Round with the dot everywhere. Round with the dot. We have one more call. UL type equal to UL type equal to a square. UL type equal to a square. Writing this again. Some technology name. Like UI technology. Backend technology. Mobile technology. Save now. It will give you a square type of indicator in the beginning of the line. It will give a square type of indicator in the beginning of the line everywhere. Checking. See how that look. This is called circle and this is called square. Now next example we'll create, that will be the combination of both UL also and OL also, or maybe only UL or maybe only OL. That is called nested list. Nested list. Okay, list inside list.
That is one just independent tax.
UL.
Yeah.
UL is not independent, no? UL is a dependent. You can see UL is open and close.
But inside writing the type.
Type is a property. Type is nothing related to dependent, independent. It's called a property. For example, I am a human. You are also a human. But everyone have a property called name. Correct? Name. If someone will ask you what's your name. Suppose someone will ask me what's your name. Name remains same for all, but the value is different. So human become as a tag, type become as a, sorry, name become as a property. Your name is XYZ, my name is Sieram. Value become as a different. So UL is the which one? Tag name. Type become as a property. See, everywhere you have written type, 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 type. After type, what you have written? Same or different? After type, something you have written different. That's becomes a value. When I say laptop, means which laptop? All the laptop. But when we say Dell laptop, then what it represent here? Brand name becomes a property and the Dell becomes a value. Whereas laptop becomes a entity. Similar way here, UL becomes a entity. Whereas type becomes a property. And what you have written? A square becomes a value. Now UL will work based on value. Understood or not? UL will work based on value. So you can say, and that UL type equal to this square circle you are writing, it's not from my wish, it's not from your wish. The people who has made the HTML, they made saying like, okay, if you want to display disk kind of symbol, dot, 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 then you have to write type equal to what? Disk. If you want to display as a square, then you have to write type equal to a square. Alternate solution also we have. In case if you don't want disk, square, circle, if you want hand symbol, you want elephant symbol, you want cloud symbol, you want anything, whatever you want. Okay, everything is possible through CSS. We can change the property of, we can change the behavior of which one? UL. And we'll say, okay, UL, your type is not disk, square, something else. Now it is something else apart from existing one. So there we can modify and we can apply our own also. Okay, so you cannot say what is the type. Type is a property, you remember it. You have to remember. I also remember. Whoever write the code, they remember. Then you cannot ask why is the type only. That becomes illegal question. Okay, you cannot not ask why UL is a UL only. UL is a UL. You are you, me is a me. Your name is your name, my name is my name. Okay, that is not a valid question. Yes, you can ask none why we are writing. That becomes a question. You can ask, okay, a square, what will happen? If you want apart from a square, what to do? Okay, those way can be a question, but we can, it should not be a question called why UL we are writing. Yes, UL we are writing is a pre-existing tag and it has some predefined feature. If you want that feature, you have to call the UL. First class also we discussed the same thing. HTML have a tags. Tag has the feature to deal with the browser. Now every tag has their own feature. UL will say, yes, I can deal in this way. Text box I created yesterday. Text box will say, yes, I can deal in this way. Now, what is your requirement? So according to your requirement, you have to choose from the list of the tags. Yes, this is my requirement and this is the tag made for that. Okay, you will understand easily. Don't worry, attend some more. Okay, so hope we have written which one? Disk, square and circle and many more you have written. You have already written under which file? Developer guide. Okay. Definition list will write after one more example. So create one more file, give the file name nestedlist.html. Nestedlist.html. Create a file nestedlist.html. So created nestedlist.html. Nested, N-E-S-T-E-D, nested, L-I-S-T dot HTML. You have seen a lot of website till date, many hundred websites you have opened. Okay. You remember when you open the website, every website will have menu on the top, menu, submenu. When you go and click on any menu, you will find submenu will open. Have seen or not? Go to the Flipkart, click on a category, you will find so many subcategory will open. Right? Or in case not remember, I have so many examples. Let me show you one. Then you might be remember. Where, which folder? Any folder. Go 8 o'clock now. What's going on? This should be the 8 o'clock. Then should be the CSS folder. Should have one CSS 3 inside menu submenu. Let me open this. Okay. Run this file first and then you will get idea. Okay. See, when I went to the services, you can see submenus are opening. When I go on to the technology, sub-menus are getting open. When we go on to the client, when we go on to the project, this is called what? Menu and sub-menu. This, the black line is a menu, and inside the black line, when we are moving the mouse, there is a sub-menus are coming, that is called a sub-menu. So it is based on nested list. It is based on what? Nested list. Nested list, what it says, when you say nested condition, that meaning one condition under the second condition. Condition inside condition becomes a nested condition. You are writing the code, maybe a paragraph inside paragraph you will write, that becomes a nested paragraph. You will write maybe some more tag we are going to follow. So many we have not covered, so I'm not saying the name directly. You have used now UL tag. Now inside the UL tag, you are going to use another UL. So what will happen? When a tag will come inside another tag, that will be called as a nested tag. Nested tag. Okay. So we have now seen the UL and LI. Correct? We have seen OL and LI. There may be a requirement. A UL should be the part of another UL. Maybe that UL will be the part of another UL. Menu, submenu of submenu. How many? It can be multi-level. Okay. So one level I have created for some people. I have given them idea. So this is called example of which one? Nested list. Nested list. In the nested list, we can create the nested list using two methods. One is based on OL, order list. Another one is using the UL. OL also will have a nested list and UL will also have a nested list. So this example, what you see, this is based on UL. And till date in your life, whichever the website you have seen, okay, a small website, large website, wherever you have seen the navigation on the top, menu and submenu, every developer use the UL tag to create which one? Menu and submenu. And that is based on nested UL structure, nested UL. So this is also a OL only. Under the OL, there is so many LI, but it is the part of main LI. Okay, let's come. Don't be more confused. Come to your file, you will come to know automatically. Okay, which file? Nested list.html. See how to write the nested list. This is also our syllabus only. It will come under the CSS3. Once we come further, we will be creating something like this. Okay. Go here. Now follow the body tag, open and close it. Body tag, open and close. Okay, after doing that, come down. Come down. Right inside H1 called nested UL example. Nested UL example. Nested UL example. Next to that, follow a UL tag, open and close. Come inside UL, write the LI. Under this LI, you will write call home, about, contact, service, something and something. Home, contact us, services. Our services, login, register, and then call customer or maybe clients. Ready? Save this, run it. You will find as we have created multiple example. Now, what is the new in that? Let's go here to the UL and LI. UL and LI. After that, UL and LI. Okay, LI open, LI close. Inside this, you will follow another UL, open and close. So this UL become the part of which LI? This UL become the part of LI. So this becomes a nested list. LI will never give you the LI. LI will give the UL, and again UL will give the LI. Again LI will give the UL, and UL will give the LI. It is called nested. It can be n number of label, but LI will never produce the LI. LI will produce the UL, and UL will produce again LI. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, right inside services 1, services 1, services 2, services 3. Anything you can write. Services 2, services 3. Services 1, services 2, services 3. Hope ready. Save the file, check once. It will look like service 1, 2, 3. It will look like service 1, 2, 3 is the part of which one? Our services. Let me run here. But the page what I have, just you saw the example, it is only HTML. Your code is only HTML, but this code is both HTML and CSS, both are inside. In our page, what we have? Only we have called HTML. So a structure is ready. Now, based on this structure, you have to apply some more thing, then the look and feel will come out. Okay, a structure is ready. On that, you have to apply look and feel through other technology. Running or not? Let me know, please. HTML is a static language. Everything is a fixed. There is no any logic. Whatever you will learn now, you will keep using always. So better you can write it. It will be helpful for you. Okay, cool. So hope working. Let's go. Okay, so this we saw called nested list. Now I will give you one URL of the website. In that you have to fill your feedback and you need to fill the details so that the other people can create a group for you, and then they can add you in the YouTube channel as a permission. You will be able to access the video. That is called infocampus.co.in/demo. This is the URL I sent in your chat. You need to open that, and then in that page, your name, the mobile number, email ID, what you fill, then feedback is compulsory. Whether you are going to continue or you are going to drop, your feedback will be important for us. You can write what you feel, what improvement is required, what is good, what is bad. We will work on that. While writing, while filling, mobile number should be your WhatsApp number, so that it will be helpful for us to create a group. Email ID, your proper email ID. Under the feedback, you can write calling number. Suppose, for example, my what number it is. My WhatsApp number is 8792462607. So I will write the WhatsApp number here.
That's not working, sir.
Hmm?
That network is not working.
You have to try in your mobile or phone. Okay. Next, after that, in the feedback form, suppose the calling number is different. So I can write here calling number like this. So there will be two number stored in our application for you. One will be for the WhatsApp communication and another will be for what? For the calling. Anytime if in case someone want to call you, they can call you, right? So this way you can fill that, and after that your details will come to us. Other person are there, they will create a group for you in WhatsApp. They will send me the list of email, whichever the email will come in this. On that email, I will be adding that email in the YouTube permission list. And then tomorrow, once you log in, then we will guide you all together how to go to the YouTube, how to come to the channel, and how to watch the particular playlist video, because those all will be as a private video. Okay, so hope clear, you can follow that, and then see you tomorrow 9:30 again. We will study tomorrow that what is pending on, that is called DL definition list, and after that table, definition list and table, or maybe definition list and after that how to link the pages. After understanding how to link the pages, we'll go for the table. So many type of example will be there. This is the URL. On that you need to fill the form. If you are not accessing the internet, you can make a note later. Also by evening, by afternoon, you can fill that, and then we can move forward. Okay. Okay. Thank you. See you tomorrow.